few days back I broke my glasses, and someone advised, sir, why are you using this glass? Why don't you use that glass and this glass? And they call it fiber glass or plastic glass, which is not breakable. So I know that this sounds very old-fashioned, that I used my eyeglasses made of glass only. Even if that break, I don't mind. Even if it is a little heavy on my nose, I don't mind. People think that they just go by fashion, etc. But then now I thought that I make some points for comparison also. So eyeglasses are of three types: pure glass, fiber, and polycarbonate. And we review the glasses by its durability, by weight, index value, and tint possibility, photochromatic possibility, coatings possible, and scratch capability, sustaining the and of course the price, and then variety available, and then finally what our eye likes, right? So now I will not go valuation and devaluation of others, but I will go the value for the glass. So I have found, yes, glass is not durable, it can break, it is heavyweight, you will have to follow it, but it is very good on index value because it can take the value up to 1.9. And then tint, I use the glass over the glass. There are clamps available which could be in yellow light, grey light, and I got many shades and type. If I want to use, I have been using that. And then photochromatic, it is just an option, a fad. I don't like it, though I have used them, but then only as a variety, but not a liking. Coating, you can do various coating. I have always tried UV light, etc. But they are all fads, right? Price, the price technically is the lowest, but the people fool you. Yeah, sir, koi bhi bana lo, it will cost the same. But that trader are doing like that. But the glass is the cheapest, which you can get starting from 150 to 200 rupees. And then if you got some good quality, it can go 300 plus also. And then variety, glass doesn't have any variety, it is same. And then what is good for eye? The glass is the best for eye. Eye likes the glass best. Eye doesn't mean me, I means the EYE, eye. Eye likes the glass. Why? Because its app value is 58. And then others also have got the same. I am not concerned with that, what values others are having. Right, so that is a few reasons for which I go for glass spectacles. Number one, my eye likes that. Number two, it is having a tough surface, and number two, it is what you call can sustain scratches best. Okay, right, thank you.